If you're experiencing pending transfers on Binance, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check network status. Visit the Binance status page or relevant social media channels to see if there are any ongoing issues with the network or the Binance platform itself. Sometimes pending transactions are due to maintenance or network congestion. Step 2. Confirm transaction details. Double-check the transaction details, including the recipient's address and the amount. Ensure that you have selected the correct network for the transfer, as sending to an incompatible network can cause delays. Step 3. Increase transaction fees. If your transaction is pending due to low fees, consider cancelling the transaction if possible and resending it with a higher fee. This can help prioritize your transaction in the network. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Sometimes, pending transactions resolve themselves after a short period. If the network is congested, it may take longer than usual for your transaction to be confirmed. Be patient and monitor the status. Step 5. Contact support. If your transaction remains pending for an extended period, reach out to Binance customer support for assistance. Provide them with your transaction ID and any relevant details to help them investigate the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address pending transfers on Binance effectively. If problems persist, staying in touch with customer support is your best option.